Dear students, welcome to Kalarava Tutorials Chitradurga. Students, in this video, we have uploaded the model question paper of the district level preparatory examination of this year. That means the series 3. It is a video from the Kalarava Tutorials Chitradurga. So, in this question paper, we have to explain how you answer the questions for the preparatory examination and how to prepare for your exam also. So, students, follow the model question paper and key answers. You have to prepare yourself for your district examination, and also come how the question paper and key answers are there. So, students, before that, I will request you one thing. If anyone have do not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel. There are so many videos are available in our channel. So come and how the question paper is there. So we have to observe the question paper and also the key answers, how are the key answers are there. Before going to the key answer, I will show you how the question paper is there. What is the pattern of the question paper you are facing for the preparatory examination and also annual examination. The pattern of the question paper is as same as this question paper. So students, this is the district level SSLC preparatory examination of this year. So you have to practice this as the practice paper. So there are 8 questions of objective type. So observe this question paper. After this, I will give you the key answers. So students, this is the question paper of the preparatory examination. Now we have to see how the key answer is for this question paper. Here there is a first question is there. Probability of the sure event is. So that means the probability of the sure event, that means the probability occurs from impossible event to wait 1 minute. So the probability occurs from the impossible event to the sure event. That means the probability of the impossible event is 1 and the probability of the sure event is the impossible event is 0 and the probability of the sure event or the possible event is 1. The probability varies from 0 to 1 only. The maximum probability is 1. That is the probability of the sure event. Therefore option D is the correct answer here. So next second question is that if the pair of linear equations x plus 2y is equal to 3 and 2x plus 4y is equal to k represent coinciding lines, then the value of k. If the lines are coincides, we have to take the relationship that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and is equal to c1 by c2. We have considered this relationship. So in this equations we have taken a1 is equal to 1. So I will substitute directly here. The value of a1 is 1 divided by a2 is 2 and is equal to b1 is 2 and b2 is 4 and c1 is 3 and divided by k. You consider only any two ratios here, 2 by 4 and k by 3, and by cross multiplying this one you get this one, k into 2 is equal to 3 into 4. If you transfer this 2 to the right hand side, that gives you k is equal to 3 into 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, that means k is equal to 3 twos are 6 is the correct answer. So here we take 6 as the answer. Option B is the correct option. Next we move on to the next question. In the figure, AB, AC and BD are the tangents to the circle with center O. If AB is equal to x centimeter, BD is equal to y centimeter, then the length of AC they given. Here the value of BC they given. Value of AB is given. AB means it is 1 minute. So here we consider the value of AB is given as x and BD is given as y. Here the value of BD is about this y and the value of AB is equal to this one is x. And now we have to find out the value of AC. Here AC, the length of AC, is always equal to the length of A to this one if you consider this as AM. So therefore the total value of this is x and this is of y. This part is y. What is the value of AM? Here we consider this as x minus y. So if you subtract this y, this gives you AM. So therefore that is equal to xy, that is x minus y, that is equal to AC. The value of AC is equal to x minus y. Therefore option C is the correct answer. Then we move on to the next question. By applying Euclid's division lemma, 32 and 28 can be related as. So by using 32 and 28, we have to divide 32 by 28 like this. 28 ones are 28. So that gives you 4. Here remainder is 4 and the quotient is 1. We write this as like this: 32 is equal to 28 is multiplied by 1 and the remainder is 4. So this is the method of writing the numbers using division, Euclid's division lemma. So therefore option A is the correct answer. So then we move on to the next question. If alpha and beta are the two zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 4x plus 2, then the value of alpha plus beta. Here alpha plus beta is considered as, alpha plus beta means sum of the zeros of the polynomial. If you take the sum of the zeros of the polynomial is considered as minus b by a. Here the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4. So therefore we consider this as minus of minus 4 divided by 1. That gives you minus into minus, that gives you plus 4. So this is the answer. Therefore option D is the correct answer for this one. Then we move on to the next question. Sixth one, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is equal to. So here this is like a plus b into a minus b. So this is like a plus b into a minus b. That gives you a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. Here a is 1, b is sin theta. That gives you 1 square minus sin square theta. So that means 1 square minus sin square theta means 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta can be written as cos square theta by using the identity. So therefore the answer is cos square theta. Option B is the correct answer. Then we move on to the next one. Formula to find out the curved surface area of the cone. Here the formula to find out the curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. So therefore option C is the correct answer. Then next question is that in an arithmetic progression, if a of n plus 1 is equal to 4n plus 5, then an is. Here we have to find out the value of a and d by using this one. That means if you put in the equation a of n plus 1 is equal to 4n plus 1, 4n plus 5, if you put n is equal to 0, that gives you a of 0 plus 1 is equal to 4 into 0 plus 5. That gives you a1 is equal to 4 into 0 is 0. That gives you 1. That means the value of a is equal to 5. That is a1 first term. If you put n is equal to 2, what it gives you? A of 2 plus 1 is 3. Sorry, n is equal to, you put n is equal to 1. 1 plus 1. A of 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 into 1 plus 5. That gives you a2 second term. 4 plus 5 is 9. Second term is 9. So therefore we have to find out the value of d. Value of d means 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. Value of d is 4. So we write what is an. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So therefore an is equal to a means 5 plus n minus 1, you put this as it is, and d is 4. So 5 plus, we have to multiply this 4 to n minus 1. 4 into n is 4n minus 4 into 1 is 4. That gives you 4n is as it is. We have to subtract this 4 from 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. That is an is equal to 4n plus 1 is the correct answer. Therefore option A is the correct answer here. Then state Pythagoras theorem. Here they ask to only state. That means you have to write the statement only. Statement of the Pythagoras theorem: in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. So this is the statement of the Pythagoras theorem. This gives you 1 mark. And then we move on to the next one. Rohit is 6 years younger than Mahendra. So write in the equation form. Here the given, let the age of the Mahendra is x and the age of the Rohit be y. Then we write this as Mahendra's age is 6 years younger than Mahendra. Rohit is 6 years younger than Mahendra. Mahendra is the elder one. So therefore we write this equation like this: x minus y is equal to 6. That means the difference of these two ages is 6. Or we write x is equal to y plus 6. For the age of Rohit, if we add 6, that gives you Mahendra's age. Or we write like this also: Rohit age is equal to Mahendra's age minus 6 also. So we have to write any one of this one, not all. Any one of the equation you write, you get the marks. And then we move on to the next one. Write the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining the points x1, y1, x2, y2 in the ratio 1:1. That means it is the midpoint. That means if a line segment is like this is the line segment. If the division is 1 is to 1, that means here is a midpoint is there. If the midpoint is there, the ratio is 1 is to 1. So therefore we have to write the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is the answer for this one. Write the HCF of any two prime numbers. That means the HCF of prime numbers is always 1 because they didn't divide by any numbers. So therefore the HCF of the prime numbers is 1. For example, if you take 3 and 5, these are the two prime numbers. These two numbers are not divided by any numbers. Therefore, the HCF of these two numbers is only 1. Write the degree of the linear polynomial. That means linear polynomial, for example, I take one example 2x plus 3. This is the linear polynomial. That means the linear polynomial degree is always equal to 1. So therefore, the highest power of the x or the variable is always 1. So therefore, the degree is 1 also. If you take if the degree is 2, that means that becomes quadratic polynomial. If the degree is 4, it becomes a cubic polynomial. So therefore, here they ask to find the degree of the linear polynomial. Linear polynomial is the degree is always 1. Then we move on to the next question. Write the discriminant of the quadratic equation. They given the quadratic equation as x square plus bx is equal to c. If you write like this quadratic equation as the standard form, this gives you like this one. Here that means a is equal to 1, b is equal to b, and c is equal to minus c. So we have to write the discriminant here. Discriminant means discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. You have to substitute the values. In the place of b, you have to write only b. Minus 4, in the place of a, we have to write 1. And in the place of c, we have to write minus c. So therefore, that is equal to b square minus into minus plus 4 into c, 4c. This is the discriminant. B square plus 4c is the discriminant here. Now they given 5 sin A is equal to 3, then find the value of cosec A. 5 sin A is equal to 3 can be written as like this. I have to transfer this 5 to the right hand side. That gives you sin A is equal to 3 divided by 5. If sin A is equal to 3 divided by 5, what is cosec A? That gives you the inverse of this one. 5 by 3 is the answer. Therefore, cosec A is equal to 5 by 3. Then we move on to the next question. What is the volume of the right circular cylinder if the area of the base is 10 centimeter square and the height is 8 centimeter square? There is a formula for volume. Volume of any solid you write, that is equal to base area into height. You apply this formula for any solid. If you apply for this formula, so for the gives the base area is 10 and height is of 8, that gives you that is 80 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the solid. For any solid you apply this one, base area into height. That is the formula holds good for any solid. And then we move on to the 2 marks questions. They are solving the 2 marks. Here we are solving the 2 marks questions. We get the answers. Have to there are find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression. You write the value of a is 5 because the first term is 5, and the d is 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, and the number of terms here they given n is equal to 20. By substituting the values to this formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into 2, because they have to ask to find the sum of the first 20 terms. So you have to substitute the values here. You get 670 as the answer. Then we move on to the next question. Find the solution for the pair of linear equations. Here we have to solve this pair of linear equations by writing one by one. By adding this one, here we didn't subtract, so signs are not changed. By adding this one, we get these two get cancels. 2x plus 1 is 3x, 10 plus 8 is 18. So if you cancel this one, 3 ones are 3 6 are, you get x is equal to 6. And then you have to substitute the value of x in this any one equation. Here the value of x is of 6, 6 plus y is equal to 10. You transfer this 6 to the right hand side, 10 minus 6, that is equal to y is equal to 4. So like this we have to solve the questions. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter and construct a pair of tangents. So I think you are already know about this construction. First you have to draw this one OP of 9 centimeter, and then take 4 centimeter by using the compass, and draw a circle by taking as a center O. By taking as a center O, draw this circle first. So after that you have to take 3/4, more than 3/4 of the OP. By measurement taking the compass, you put you cut a arc here and also another arc here, and then from point P you have to cut another arc here and also another arc here. The two arcs are intersect here, you have to join this one. By joining this one, you get the midpoint of M as, so you by taking MO as the radius, by compass you take MO as the radius, so construct another circle here. So that circle passes through O and P, and then there are 2 points which the two circles are intersect there. One circle is there, another circle is there, so this is the intersection of the 2 points. You have to mark these 2 points and join to P. PA and PB, join PA and PB. PA and PB are the 2 tangents here. So this is the construction. Then we move on to the next one. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices, the vertices are given. Here you consider this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2, and this as x3 y3. So here I will show you how to write the formula easily. If you memorize this one, that's okay. But if you got any confusion by writing this formula, I will show you how to write the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to, you write like this. First you write half, and then x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. So this is the easy method to write the formula of the area of triangle of the coordinates. So here I take 1 2 3 as, you put for x1 this, for x2, and this x you write 3 1 2 3. So you observe 1 2 3 are goes on cyclic order. After 1 it gives you 2, after 2 it gives you 3, and after 3 it gives you 1. So by using this method we write here, it is 1. For these two y's we write 2 and 3, 1 2 3. Then here it is 2, then we write after 2 it gives you 3, and after 3 it gives you 1, 2 3 1, and then 3 is there, and then you write 3, after 3 it gives you 1 and 2. So this is the formula you have to write easily for finding the area of the triangle. So if any confusion in the exam, you have to write like this only. So we have to substitute the values, you get 6 square units. So then we move on to the next question. So our option is there to find the ratio of this one. So to find the ratio of the here we give both the terms, both the coordinates. So for finding the ratio, you have to write this is considered as x and x comma y, the coordinates. So then we write here the given the values of x is -4 and value of y is 6. You consider any one of this one, you consider this one or this one, you get the ratio. Don't take two at a time. So I will consider only x. If I take only x, you put this as x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. You didn't these two, but you take only 1 year. So that means here you get the values. Here m is there, so this one consider as x and y. Here this one as x1 and y1. This can be considered as, here it is there, x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. So here x is -4, m1 you write as it is, x2 is 3, you put this one, plus m2 you write as it is, x1 is -6 divided by m1 plus m2. Here you have to transfer this m1 plus m2 to the left hand side. -4 into m1 plus m2 is equal to, if you multiply this one you get 3m1 plus into minus 6m2. Here we have to transfer the light. First we have to multiply this 4 to the m1 plus m2. -4m1 plus into minus 4m2 is equal to 3m1 minus 6m2. You have to transfer the like terms. Here -4m1, you have to transfer this 3m1 to the left hand side, that gives you 3m1. That is equal to -6m2 is there. You have to transfer this to the right hand side, that gives you plus 4m2. Plus 4m2. Here both signs are minus. We have to add these to -7m1. That is equal to, here the signs are different. We have to subtract here -2m2. You have to transfer this m2 to the left hand side and -7 to the right hand side. This gives you m1 by m2 is equal to -2 divided by -7. Minus get cancel, that gives you 2 by 7. So that is the ratio is m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7 is the answer. So in this way you have to calculate the ratio by using any one, or you consider this also, y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 m2. You get the same answer. If you consider this one, you get the same answer as 2 is to 7. So you write any one of that one, not by using any one or both of that one. So we are moving to the next questions. I will give you the solutions. You observe all the solutions and prepare for the questions. So from here we have to observe the key answers of the questions. So students, this is the key answer for the model question paper of the district level preparatory examination. You have to, by using this question paper and key answers, you have to prepare yourself for your exam. And so students, if anyone are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. And so some more videos of another subjects are also uploaded to our channel. So thank you very much. We are meeting in the next video. Bye.